Jacob Hoggard spoke clearly and confidently, testifying that what his accuser described as rape was, in his view, memorable and consensual sex. That night, 8 years ago in northeastern Ontario, began with this Headley concert. As Hoggard sang on stage, the 19-year-old woman watched on. He testified that later, at an outdoor after-party, he spotted the woman, who can't be identified, found her attractive, and struck up a flirty conversation. The singer said he invited her back to his motel room, where he played songs on his guitar. They chatted, kissed, and had sex on the bed, he said, and then again in the shower. "Did you rape this woman?" Hoggard's defense lawyer asked him. "No," he replied. "Did you touch her sexually in any way without her consent?" the lawyer asked. "No," he repeated, later saying she was as into it as I was. Just last week at this courthouse, the complainant told a much different story. Fighting back tears, she testified that Hoggard pinned her down, choked her, and called her a dirty little pig, all of which he denies.
It is not a contest between who is telling the truth, right? It's not black and white. If the jury believes the accused, that's the end of the story.
Hoggard's defense lawyer, Megan Savard, told the jury prosecutors failed to prove the sex was non-consensual. Court heard at the time of the encounter, Hoggard and his now wife Rebecca were in the midst of a short-lived breakup. He was single and hoping for the temporary intimacy, comfort, and connection of a one-night stand, Savard told the jury. And that's what happened. Hoggard has pleaded not guilty to one count of sexual assault. Erica, his lawyers plan on calling at least 2 more witnesses to testify in his defense.
Thomas, you mentioned Hoggard's wife. His defense lawyer focused on her today.
Yeah, his legal team has zeroed in on Rebecca Hoggard and the couple's breakup at the time as part of Hoggard's defense. Today, the jury was shown a handwritten letter that she sent to him that summer in 2016. The defense presented a picture of Rebecca Hoggard that she posted to Instagram around that time, shown on screen in court today. Last week, the defense lawyer even pointed out to the complainant as she testified that Rebecca was seated right there in the courtroom listening. Erica.
Thomas Dagla in Toronto tonight.